In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Cash App account at Dollar General. This is a convenient way to load cash if you don't have a bank account linked or want to use cash directly. The process is simple, safe, and can be completed in just a few steps. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you are signed into your account. On the home screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap the bank icon or money sign. This will take you to your Cash App balance and banking options. Scroll down until you see the Deposit Paper Money option and tap on it. This feature allows you to deposit physical cash into your Cash App balance at participating retail locations. Next, tap the magnifying glass to search for a store. Type in Dollar General and a list of nearby Dollar General locations will appear. Choose the location that is most convenient for you and tap Show Barcode. This barcode is important because it allows the cashier to link your cash deposit directly to your Cash App account. Once you are at Dollar General, approach the cashier and let them know that you want to add cash to your Cash App account. Show them the barcode on your phone. You will also need to provide your Cash App card and a valid government-issued ID. The cashier will scan the barcode, enter the amount you want to deposit, and complete the transaction. Each transaction includes a small service fee, typically $1 per deposit, so be prepared for that. After the cashier complete the deposit, open your Cash App and tap Done. Your Cash App balance should update shortly to reflect the deposited amount. If you don't see the balance immediately, don't worry, sometimes it takes a few minutes for the app to update. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double-check the store location before heading out. Make sure your Cash App barcode is clear and visible, and bring your Cash App card and ID to avoid any delays. Depositing cash at Dollar General is a fast and reliable way to fund your Cash App account without needing a bank transfer or debit card. By following these steps, you can easily and securely add money to your Cash App account at Dollar General anytime you need to.